Okay, so this is a video of the first 3 rounds of the Star Baby Blanket from Bernat pattern. It says to start with chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and join with a slip stitch to form a ring. There's my slip stitch. First round, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I do that 4 times. This is my second one. 2, 3. And one more. Chain 3 and double crochet. Then you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you join with a slip stitch, the third chain, 1, 2, 3. And the purpose of that slip stitch is just to bring it all together and make it look like you've got 5 double crochets with 3 chains in between each one. And it does look like that. Okay, so now the needle in this next stitch would be coming out of here, out of this double crochet, or this pretend double crochet. And we don't want that. We want the double crochet to come out of this hole here. So that's why in round 2, it says to slip stitch into next chain 2 space, which is here. So I'm going to do a slip stitch. So now my pretend double crochet will come out of this space, as will all the other double crochets. They'll all come out of these spaces. So here it goes. It says chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. So now it looks like we have 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets in here. And we're going to have the same thing in each hole. Okay, so we're going to go into this one now. 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. Probably going a bit fast. Okay, there's my 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3. And again, next hole, 1, 2, 3, and 2 chains, 1, 2, and then 3 again. 1, 2, 3. So now we have the shell, the shell, the shell. We need 2 more. I'm going to do these 2 fast. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, and the last one. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to join with a slip stitch to the top. If I didn't join with a slip stitch, I'd have like a big gap. It just wouldn't really work. So if I join that with a slip stitch, it'll make it all look like it's all together, the same all around. So join with a slip stitch to 3rd chain. Oopsie, I'm doing the slip stitch badly. I'm going to do it again. Join with a slip stitch to 3rd chain. There we go. There. So there we go. So now we're into round 3. No, sorry, now we're into round 2. No, we are into round 3. That was a little comedy there. Okay, so now we're into round 3. It says slip stitch in next double crochet. So that would mean the middle one here. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet in next double crochet. So now we have a pretend double crochet and a real double crochet in each double crochet. Then it says 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets in next chain 2 space. So in here, I'm going to do that shell thing. 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
My pocket's feeling a bit heavier right now.
One double crochet in next 2 double crochets in each of next 2 double crochets. So one, 2. Miss the next 2, so I'm going to miss this one and this one. Then 1 double crochet in each of the next 2. Oh, this is going to make that little dip. 1, 2. Then we do 3 double crochets, 3, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and we're going to just keep going. My wool's tangled again. Okay, so we'll go into 2. This is tricky because that 2 is there. 1, 2, then we're going to skip 2, skip this one and this one, and do 2 in here, 1 in here, and 2. Then we do our shell in here. So the shell is 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there it is. Then we have to go into this double crochet and this double crochet. So I'm going to get my wool over here, which is all tangled.